Steig, I'm now going to ask you a number of questions which I've been calling my rapid fire questions. Are you ready to proceed?
I'll try it.
All right. So the first question is very basic. When did you first know you wanted to be a lawyer?
This was in Oklahoma, I think, when I was in about the first or second grade. My mother was a juror in a criminal case involving a gun in a bar. And I got to watch, I don't remember how, but just thought it was incredible.
Steig, do you have a favorite attorney to litigate against?
Not sure I can give you a name, but now that I've moved from exclusively being in the plaintiff side, sometimes I enjoy going up against my ex-colleagues on the plaintiff side.
Oh, I'll bet. What do you think the biggest change to the class action landscape has been over the past 5 years?
Well, the big change in the class action landscape is that it became more rigorous. The truth is, the class actions had become too easy to certify, and the standards have become too loose. There's I don't think, much question about it. And the circuit courts and the Supreme Court has tightened that up quite a bit. I think now we're finally reaching a balance that's about appropriate.
What is your favorite legal movie?
My cousin Vinny. It was taught to me in law school.
We did it in evidence class too. What's your favorite non-legal movie?
The Big Lebowski.
That's a good answer. What was your least favorite law school class?
Tax.
Popular
class.
answer, I might say.
Yes, 8:30 in the morning.
Oof. Which was a worse case for the plaintiff's bar? Carrera, Concepcion, or Dukes?
I think Concepcion is a case that probably gives the plaintiff's bar the most concern, especially broadly construed, thinking of consumer class actions.
Right.
It's just a huge challenge for that portion of the bar that I don't think they know what to do about.
Right. What's the most worthy legal nonprofit organization?
Legal aid.
Which courthouse in the United States do you find to be the most beautiful?
Yeah, I don't know. I love going down to the SDNY.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Steig, if you had one piece of sort of poignant advice to impart on a young lawyer, what would that be?
I think young lawyers should think from the beginning about how they're going to develop business down the road and how they're going to build and maintain the relationships that will help them do that.
That's great advice. Thank you again for being here. It was our pleasure.
Thank you for having me.